Are you bored in this crypto market like Mark Cuban? Mark Cuban said it's boring. Does he not know what is happening? I mean, clearly the guy just looks at CoinGecko.com all day. And by the way, he must be kind of happy over the last little pump we've had from Bitcoin. But he says that crypto is kind of boring. Welcome to a bear market where the prices aren't pumping, the moon boys are quiet, and those that are building the systems that he will be so happy exist in the next bull market, and he thinks they just magically appear. I don't know. If you're paying attention, there's some really important things happening with crypto. That's what we're talking about today. Hit like, hit subscribe, check out the CT Club. So what we're witnessing, especially now, is I believe to be the season of crypto as puberty. It's ugly, it's awkward, it's painful, but what is going to grow from this is going to be so much stronger and attractive and robust than ever before. Now, cryptocurrencies in general, some more than others, are being targeted by governments around the world. Some applications of code are being tested and trying to be snuffed out by governments around the world. And there are attack vectors being identified in crypto that are going to be remedied, and it's going to ensure that crypto is going to continue to survive in the future. What I think specifically is going to be bolstered in this boring bear market are things like DeFi. With the failings of CeFi and that debacle, how we saw how human fallibility mixed with greed can make severe risk for a lot of people. Whereas DeFi, true decentralized finance with smart contracts, code executes as it is written. It functioned beautifully during this bear market, during the catastrophe of the CeFi downfall. Also, what we're seeing is privacy protocols are going to become all the more robust. Tornado Cash was taken down. There's a lawsuit now going against US Treasury. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, go ahead and watch that. But so even though Tornado Cash has been taken down, the activity of coin mixing wasn't dissuaded at all. It's just gone to other places. So privacy is still very much something that people with cryptocurrencies are interested in, and you will be as well sooner or later. If you don't believe me, that's fine. That's on you. Other things that I think are going to be built on are decentralized exchanges, because as centralized exchanges continue to be this painful bottleneck and a really easy target for governments to enforce their regulations upon, there's going to be much less friction on decentralized exchanges. They're going to be more user-friendly. Liquidity is going to be there. Cross-chain interoperability of native assets, like what ThorChain is working on, is, I think, an ideal situation that we would love to see continue to thrive. They have the ability to swap native Bitcoin with like Litecoin, Ethereum, Atom, a lot of different altcoins, and they're always adding more. You can also earn interest on your Bitcoin by storing it on your hardware wallet. Hello. I'm going to be doing a video on ThorChain in the future as well. And also DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. A lot of crypto projects are pivoting towards these, and this concept of voting, self-governance, community efforts towards securing and improving code. I think that's going to be a really important improvement as well. So that's what I look forward to being built in this bear market. Mark Cuban, wake up. Hello. There's so much more to crypto than the price, but that is also fun too, and that is coming. And if you pay attention to what's being built now, you're going to benefit both, just through the utility of crypto, but also prices too. So that's what we're talking about in our CT Club. Always keeping you guys posted there. If you want to check it out, there's a link down below. That's it for today. Thanks, everyone. Bye.